going on, guys? What is going on? We are live here, so let's get straight into it. Okay, guys. I don't know why it said 9:10 here. It should have said 9:40, but hey, quick typo here. Okay, let's take a look at Dixie very quickly here. Obviously, we have markets pushing to the upside because of this here. So what I'm curious about is this does look like a little bit of a shift in momentum here. I just don't want to be too, how could I say it, optimistic. And I don't want to be too optimistic on markets just because, again, the whole oil thing is very big. And we had no pullback on this run to the upside here. So I'm just very curious to see how markets react, specifically with Dixie here, especially on external structure. You know, we're getting into that external structure zone right now where slowly but surely, as price is going to most likely pull back, and we're probably going to see price go to the upside, at least Dixie move to the upside here soon. So obviously I'm looking for shorts in the market. Specifically today, internal sells. This is what I'm looking for an internal. SPX, I believe, is too high. I'm gonna most likely stick with my gun on this, and I think I'm gonna send this out as a signal for a short. Now, I may be a little wild for doing that. I want to look at gold too, because gold looks pretty good. Looks bullish. But again, I don't want to call anything too early. And look at gold going back and forth here. It's been annoying, right? The best time to buy would have been like 7 a.m. and it's only moved like what? 100, 300 pips, right? Yeah, so the biggest thing would be shorts on gold too. Like you see that right here, this internal sells. Shorts on gold. So as soon as we hit the cloud here at 10 a.m., I'd probably want to short gold. So sells on gold for sure. Specifically this internal sell area here. I'm going to call this out live. We're just going to take this as a scalp, like nothing crazy. Just a quick scalp to the downside. That's it. All right, we have like a 1 to 3, I would say. All right, so sells on gold. You're gonna wait till 10 a.m. here because we're already past that 9:45 area, so we're getting to that 10 a.m. nice area here where we can take this here. Give me 1 second. Let me download this. Remove everything else, guys. I can finally see my YouTube chat for the first time in a long time, right? So that's a positive. Give me a second, guys. My computer over here is like, something's wrong with my computer right now. I don't know what is going on. It's like not loading correctly. I'm getting a bunch of like issues here. Give me a second, guys. I don't know if it's the internet. It's definitely not the internet. Definitely can't be. Might be the computer itself. 2 seconds, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna check something here real quick. That might be the computer itself. What the hell is going on here? I'm going to do a low risk sell here, guys. I'm going to do a low risk sell. So I found out what happened. My fan wasn't working real quick. I have a custom computer here, so it like sometimes when I don't turn on the fan, I forget to turn it on. It tends to do that here. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for actually something like this here. I'm just gonna wait though till 10 a.m. before we execute here, because that's essentially the trade, right? That's what we're looking for. Okay. Shorts to the downside here. Swipe of liquidity. This is actually a good short right now. You see, swipe of liquidity, sell off here. However you want to run it, but basically, signal called out here. Let's look at SPX here real quick. I might call this out right now. I'm just being very patient. Don't want to be too. I don't want to call out too many trades at one time. Be the smartest thing, especially if I don't get into it either. Like, I'm not in all these trades, which is, I call out a couple ideas, but I'm not in all these trades here. So specifically with this trade here, just based off Dixie, I want to call a sell. SPX. And I think I'm going to. At 10 a.m. though. Let me download this trade here. I want to pay attention to that specifically because, again, like, I only want to take the trade if it makes the most sense. If it doesn't make sense, I don't want to take the trade here. Okay, specifically with you know, gold's looking good. But with SPX specifically, I want to be careful here. All right, guys, I'm sending a sell signal. The execution needs to be at 10 a.m. I'm gonna execute this one at 10 a.m. If there's no 10 a.m. candle, I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna execute. All right, I just sent out another trade here for SPX sells. Gold sells looking okay, decent. Gold's not really moving. It's not too volatile here. We're not getting a nice pullback on USD CAD. Came close Monday at 9 a.m. here. I believe price will still come down. G looks okay. I don't like the area that it's sitting at though. External structure. I think Bitcoin's a sell. Bitcoin's in that zone right now for sells. I'm gonna swing trade Bitcoin sells right now. I believe price will go a little bit higher here, but I'm gonna call the signal out right now. dropping a signal here for BTC. I'm gonna get into sells for BTC. I'm gonna swing trade it, guys. This one's a swing trade. Okay. I'm waiting on execution here for SPX for some sells. And I'm in sells right now. I just took sells on SPX. I'm pretty heavy in, so I'm just gonna mark up certain areas that I could see price potentially reverse. Internal buys right here, and then also internal buys here. TP. As long as it breaks this here, we're going really south, like really, really south very quickly. Gonna see maybe a pullback here, but other than that, I'm already in profit here. I'm gonna wait for the reaction here, then move my stop loss to break even if the reaction here isn't what I like. But I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm heavy in SPX, very heavy in SPX. Let's look at gold. Gold, we might have missed it by literally just a couple pips here, right? Sometimes that happens. You had the swipe of liquidity. You had the 9:50, 9:45 a.m. was the high. Sometimes you miss it. So, but I'm in SPX sells right now. Right, so Hey, let's go. Sold gold. Izzy Rodriguez just sold gold. You have some small micro break of structure here. I'm just waiting for a real legit break of structure here so we can just see that, you know. Stop is going to be above the zone here, so. I will move stop loss to break even once we're at this zone at least, you know. When we get to like, say 1,200 points in profit here, I'll start to move stop loss to break even. Gold here, yeah, gold's running down, which is good. This was a good selling point. I just didn't catch it in time for myself, but I did say that we're going to sell off here, no problem. Again, sometimes I make my own trades, sometimes I don't. Maybe if I was 5-10 minutes earlier, I would have in front of the charts, but today I just had some technical difficulties earlier, so completely fine. USD CAD looks decent for that pullback. I'm still waiting for a deeper pullback with CAD. I was talking about this yesterday. I want to see a way deeper pullback with CAD. Would give me some really, really good good perspective here with CAD. All right, I want to see CAD here. Once CAD makes it here, then I'm gonna be actually like in CAD, sure, right? Once CAD gets here, then I'll be like pretty excited to start buying some CAD, USD CAD. Let's look at USD JPY, GU. I think GU is gonna sell off here. AUD USD. I need to look at actually news from. Let's take a look at how did the news conference yesterday go for the cash rate. It's like their monetary policy here. Wow. Wow. This right here is not good. Holy shit. Oh my God. Yeah, we're cooked. We're going into a recession for sure. Wow. This is not good at all. Wow. Wow, this is not good at all. This is terrible news here. Let's take a look at SPX here to see what it's doing. It's just chilling. This is terrible news. Sorry guys, if it sounds like I'm overreacting here, it's just this news is really bad. This news is not good at all. I'll be brutally honest with you guys. Okay, let's take a look at this here. Let's take a look at the news and how bad it really is, okay? Let's take a look at this. Wow. So we're for sure going into a recession. Like, I will tell you, there is a huge chance wow. Rose, the Euro weekend. This is why they're doing it. They raised the cash rate by 25 basis points. This is not good. Bank of England unchanged, European unchanged. Wow. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even here to make this a risk-free trade here soon, based off the reaction here. And yeah, guys, call it we're up currently right now from that sell zone about 1,300 points. Okay, so let me see. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold's kind of just chilling, doing its thing. SPX shorts, really nice for us right now. I see us going here a lot lower, to be honest. If this is where I think it could go. Big belief for me that we could go really low, but hey, if this right here is solid. Moving my stop loss now to break even, like I just said that I would. Once I was in sells, once I was in profit about 1,300 pips here. Yeah, moving my stop loss to break even, guys. Let me move it right now. You gotta always secure your trades, man. And I get it, like, stop loss to break even at, what is my area? My sell area is, let's take a look at this. 67.45. Okay. Now I'm gonna move my stop loss there. Just to make it a risk-free trade, guys. And I like doing that just because for me it gives me peace of mind. I don't need to look at the charts anymore. I'm kind of done for the day. So it's really good. It broke the 5-minute zone here, so what that basically means is that this thing is going to run down. As long as it closes, and it did, we might get a small pullback, but this thing is going to run down for sure. Okay? That means we're going to go lower. We're going to most likely come here. Okay? Huge possibility. With stop losses at break even now, guys, I'm pretty satisfied at where I am right now. Wait, where am I putting my stop loss? 67, 51, 52. Give me a second, guys. Let me figure this out. Yeah, we're gonna go longer, guys. So currently up 2,500 points. I'm going to start taking first profit here, to be honest. I'm going to set an alert right now over here. First TP will be here. If you start to see huge price action close above this zone, then start taking profits, to be honest, completely. But my first big TP is going to be here. I'm not going to lie, I'm in pretty deep on SPX. I'm in very deep on SPX, I'm not going to lie. Just be aware. Stop losses at break even. Dow Jones actually on the 10-minute hidden indecisional candle. So be aware of that. I'm looking at that right now. 10-minute we did hit an indecisional candle, which I didn't notice before. Interesting. Pepperstone has different data feed than SpreadX. That's very fucking interesting. Yeah. Just be aware. Alright guys, just be aware of your guys' trades. Appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I will talk to y'all soon. Again, watch how this candle reacts here, however that does. To be honest, I'm still in sales. Stop loss, break even, doesn't matter. But I appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good one, guys. Let's crush it. Peace.